each and every key. So the first key I want to break down, and before I start into this key, you have to understand what is causing this massive wealth to be transferred right in front of our eyes. That's the first thing I'm going to share with you. And then two, how do you position yourself to take advantage of this massive wealth transference that is taking place right in front of our eyes right now as we speak. We're not talking about next year. We're not talking about 10 years from now. We're talking about right now. And how do you get your piece of this massive wealth that is being transferred? There are things that took place in the last 6, 7, 8 years that set up this moment in time. Things that took place. Unemployment went to an all-time high. We had so many people that lost their jobs. We're talking about well-educated people, all types of degrees, bachelor's, master's, PhDs that lost six-figure jobs. And their lifestyle got totally devastated. That made a shift in the world. It's a day and time right now where most people are working 2 jobs just to kind of make ends meet. They're working their full-time job and they have something part-time at night or in the morning or on the weekends or something they're doing at home just to barely make ends meet. Those are things that took place in the last few years that set up this massive wealth transference. Another thing that took place was time. A lot of people now do not have that time to spend with their family members, their friends, the things that they really enjoy doing out of life. But here's some of the things that really kick that crisis into high gear. The children of today, the lifestyle that they're living, they're being raised by the TV, the iPhones, the daycares, the school system, and we're seeing the results in a rebellious nations of kids today that we're saying to ourselves, oh my goodness, what happened? We weren't that way when we were kids. Why weren't we that way? Because of everything that took place. Mom is no longer at home raising the kids. Mom is working a job, maybe 2 jobs. Dad doesn't get time to spend times with his son to mentor him on how to be a man because he's so busy just working, trying to pay the bills. Everything has been set out to lay up this path for this massive transference. What's taking place in the healthcare industry right now? People are scrambling, figuring out, am I going to have health care? Will the government pay for my health care? You know, will the drugs that I get from the pharmaceutical industry really work? Or will it do more damage to my body than actually help? All of these things took place in the last 6, 7, 8 years to set up this massive wealth transference. Now, here's the thing. You can sit on the sidelines and you can watch this wealth transference take place. It's up to you. Or you can get in the mix, get in the game, and get your piece of the wealth that is being transferred. So how do you get in the game? How do you get your piece of that? Well, I'm going to share with you key number 1 that you need to do to get your piece of that pie. I'm going to look down here on my notes, make sure I got everything on track. So how do you get your piece of that? Now, let's share what the next 8 years are going to look like. I talked about what the past 8 years look like. Well, in the next 8 years, you're going to witness the biggest economic boom the world has ever seen. In the next 8 years, you're going to see it. All the hint, clues are laying out for the biggest economic boom the world has ever seen in the next 8 years. And it's going to boom so massive, it's going to create over 10 million new millionaires within the next 10 years. 10 million new millionaires. So you have the past 6, 7, 8 years, people were struggling, couldn't pay their bills, working 2, 3 jobs, the schools, the internet, the daycares are raising the kids, health crisis, health problem, worried about health care. To the next 8 years, you're going to see the biggest economic boom to take place and 10 million new millionaires will be created. So how do you get your piece of that pie? Well, let me kind of share a little bit of my story so you understand a little bit about Andre. Maybe you're looking at this for the first time. Maybe you're following me on Facebook. I don't know. But my background is over 10, 15 years ago, I was a mechanic. I worked in a mechanic shop. I worked on cars. I fixed tires. I changed oils. I did tune-ups. I did your brakes. I was the guy, when your brakes were squeaking, you brought it to the mechanic shop and I fixed your brakes. That was me. You know, when your car needed an oil change, you brought it to the mechanic shop. I changed your oil. You know, your car wasn't running right and you had to get it tuned up. That was me. I was the guy underneath your hood, greased from head to toes, smelling like oil all day long, you know, working in this hot shop, sweating, steel-toe boots. That was me. That was my lifestyle. And a good friend of mine that I met actually in the mechanic shop, he was a customer there, introduced me to a concept where I can work from home and build my own home-based business. So I started doing that. Didn't know anything about home-based business, didn't know anything about direct sales. And you know what? What he taught me, it worked. And I was able to build up enough income to where I was able to retire at the age of 28. And I earned over $1 million in income working my own home-based business from home. And life was absolutely phenomenal. I mean, we was traveling the world. My kids were homeschooled. I was at all the little gymnastic meets. I was one of the only dads that was all the gymnastic practice, all the gymnastic meets. You know, me and my son, we're driving remote control cars in the middle of the day when he gets home from school. Well, he was homeschooled then, and, you know, the neighbors are looking, and we're traveling to Hawaii, to Tahiti, Monaco, south of France, Rome, and life was phenomenal. Well, 2008 came, the real estate market plummeted, and my income really took a nosedive, a massive nosedive. 2009, it kept going down even more. 2010, I'm figuring out, okay, how to move this money from here, you know, end up losing 2 multi-million-dollar properties that we had, and, you know, because of the economy, and stuff was shifting. It was changed. So, okay, man, we need to have this money over here to do this and do that. 2011, 2012, you know, I'm sitting there looking like, man, something has got to give. 2013 came around and I'm looking at the bills, I'm looking at the lifestyle. We downsized the lifestyle, downsized the cars, you know, trying to manage what we have. And in 2014, I had to go back and get a job. I had to go back to a mechanic shop, something I hadn't done in 13 years. I had to refresh my memory on how to work on cars again. I had to refresh my body on standing up 10, 12 hours a day, tuning up cars, doing brakes, changing the tires, changing the oils. I had to refresh myself. And I went back into that field and I started working a job again. It was probably one of the most depressing times of my life. But, you know, I had to do what I had to do. I had to feed my family. I had to take care of my household. And that's what I did. It was very hard. It was very challenging. I didn't really want to do it. But I did what I had to do. And then 2015 came around and I started to see these trends. I started to see these patterns that was taking place. And in 2016, it became full-fledged. I saw that the economic boom was getting ready to take place. I saw the entrepreneurial spirit wake up in people. People that have been devastated over the last 5, 6, 7, 8 years said to themselves, for me to really make it in these next couple of years to come, I'm going to have to become an entrepreneur. I'm going to have to own my own business and build my own business. I'm going to have to become a business owner. And that was stirred up this massive economic boom. People were so depressed. They were under the pressure. They lost so much over the last 6, 7, 8 years. It made them dig deep on the inside of them and find things that they never found before. Found ideas, inventions, witty inventions, concepts, work ethic, and bring forth the best out of people. You got to understand, it is always the darkest before the light breaks through. So if you're having a dark moment in your time right now, you're depressed, you're down, you're out, you're saying, man, is it ever going to give up? Am I going to ever get a breakthrough? Man, it seemed like one problem leaves 10 more hit my door. I'm here to tell you that if it's dark right now, you're getting hit with problems, this is the time your breakthrough is getting ready to come. This is when you're getting ready to step out and go into that light and move into that next level of success in your life. That is why I can sit here with confidence and tell you that the next 8 years is going to be the biggest economic boom the world has ever seen. Now, what's key number 1 for you taking advantage of that? Because trust me, you don't want to be the person 8 years from now that was on the sideline. This big economic boom took place. billions and trillions of dollars were transferred, and you say, man, I wish I coulda, woulda, shoulda. So I'm going to share with you key one. Now there's 5 keys to this. I'm going to share with you key one here. And you got to put key one into action. So what is the first key? Here's the first key. Let me flip on my little notes here. So the first key into position yourself for this massive wealth transference is you've got to have a vision. You got to have a vision. You got to have a vision so you can get your piece of this massive wealth that is getting ready to be transferred into millions and millions and millions of bank accounts all over the world, and it can be yours. But the first key to getting that wealth into your bank account, into your house, into your family members, is you got to have a vision. Now, you hear a lot of people say, man, you got to have a vision, and the vision has got to be this, it's got to be that. I'm going to share with you some of the key factors to having a vision. One, it must be clear. A clear, crisp, precise vision. It must be written down. Now, here's one of the biggest secrets behind having a vision. You ready for it? Here it is. You ready? You sure? Here it is. The vision must help other people. So many times, you have a vision, and guess what? I'm guilty of it. I've had, oh man, I got a vision. I want to have a brand new car. Or I want to have this big multi-million-dollar house. I want to have this. That vision is only for you. It's not going to go very far. You have to have a vision, and that vision you must have about what you want to do to help other people. I'm giving you the key here. The key for great wealth transference into your bank account. Key number one is you must have a vision, and this vision must be written down. It must be clear, and it must be how you're going to help other people get what they want out of life. That is one of the key factors for your vision having power and transforming your life personally. Is the vision must focus in on how it's going to help other people. So key number one is to have a vision. You got to write it down, make it clear, and in this vision you must state how you're going to help other people. Now, by doing that, that's going to set your course. That's going to give you the course that you need to go down, the path that you need to follow. So key one, have a vision, write it down, must be clear, and it must be focusing on helping other people. Now, let's take another step further, okay? Your vision has got to go even deeper about how you're going to better serve these people. What problem are you going to solve in these people's lives? So you got a vision, you wrote it down, it's clear, it's going to be about helping people. So now you're going to take it further. What problem are you going to solve in these people's lives? What particular people? And what the problem are you going to solve in their lives? And that's your vision that you wrote down and you made it clear. Now, the next thing you got to do is this. When you start to fill the needs of other people out there in the marketplace, that's where the wealth will be transferred to you. So key number one is to getting that wealth is to have a vision, make it clear, write it down. That vision must state how you're going to help others. It must state what problem you're going to solve for those people. And then the wealth will follow after that vision is put into action and start to come to pass. That is key number one to transferring wealth into your bank account. I can't state that enough. Because I'm telling you, one of the biggest things I hear people say, and I've seen this a lot of times. Oh man, I want to do this. I got this vision of this car, and I got this vision of this and that. And you know what? Those are great. Those are personal visions. But if you really want to get wealth to be transferred into your bank account, man, please don't look at self. Look at people around you. And what problem can you solve for the people around you? Focusing on that vision. Then the next thing you do is you start to communicate that vision. You start to communicate that vision to people you know, to people that you don't know, friends, family members, co-workers, business investors, bankers. You start to share the vision with people that are around you or people that are not around you. With the World Wide Web, the internet, start to share your vision is one of the key things to bringing that wealth into your bank account. Now, here's the thing. You want to share the vision with people that help you, which is awesome. But then you know what? You're going to share your vision with some people that they're not going to give two hoots. What you have to do is do not spend a lot of time with those people that don't see your vision right now. They don't understand your vision. How in the world can a grease monkey mechanic say he's going to empower people to be entrepreneurs? He barely can pay his bills as a mechanic working in a tire shop. How can that be a vision of his? People are going to knock you on your vision. Don't worry about it. You don't spend time with the naysayers that are knocking your vision. The 5 people, the 2 people that's encouraging you to follow that vision, that's who you continue to share those visions with. And find more people like that to share your vision with and what you're going to do to bring this vision to pass. So now, also you got to do this is, in your vision, you got to give hope to other people. You got to give hope to them. Your vision helps people have a hope in life, help them to see a better way, help them to enhance their health, their finances. You serve up hope to people in your vision. That's going to transfer that wealth into your bank account. So you're communicating the vision, you're offering hope to people that are around you within the vision that you're sharing. And then the next thing is this. You're going to have to realize that your vision is going to take time to come to pass. Not because you wrote it down, not because you're helping people in your vision, not because you're communicating it. Don't expect it to come to pass in 60 days. Don't expect it to come to pass in, 1 year. Know that the vision is going to be a process. Some of it might come to pass in a year. Then it might take another 2 years to bring the rest of it to pass. Then, it might take 5 years, maybe 10 years to fully fulfill the vision that's on the inside of you. So, a lot of people ask me, well, okay, Andre, that sounds great. Well, what is your vision, Andre? What is the vision that you want to accomplish? We hear that you was a mechanic. Yeah, you was able to make a lot of money building your business. You retired and, hey, hard times hit. You had to go back to being a mechanic. And, what is your vision? Well, my vision is this. I want to empower you to be an entrepreneur and to earn at least $10,000 a month in income. That is my vision. And I have a specific number. I want to empower 500 people to earn $10,000 US dollars a month in income as an entrepreneur. Not as a tire tech, not as a mechanic, not as a salesperson, not as a model, not as a, I want to empower 500 people to earn $10,000 a month in income as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, working from home, being an entrepreneur themselves, calling the shots, being their own boss. That is my personal vision that I have. And I want to include you into that vision if I can possibly help you. People say, why are you doing these videos, Andre? That's why. Because I want to empower people all over this world to make $10,000 a month as an entrepreneur, to be in position to take advantage of this massive wealth transference that is hitting the world right in front of you. So this is what I want to do. I'm going to give you key number 2 on my next post. So key number 2 will be broken down in the next post. That's just key 1. There's actually 5 keys to position yourself for this massive wealth transference. Key 1 is have a vision, write it down, make it plain, and focusing on that vision on how you're going to help other people, how you're going to help them, how you're going to serve them, and what problem you're going to solve for other people. That's key number 1. On the next video, we're going to cover key number 2. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now. You got to tune into the next video. Yeah, come on. Yeah, so in the next video, you're going to learn key number 2 in the next video, and that'll be key number 2 of 5 keys that you're going to need. But I always got some free stuff that I want to give away. So if you're online right now, go to andrepark.com. That is AndrePark.com. When you go to that website, you can subscribe to my blog, On my blog, you'll get new posts and feeds. If you missed the next video, it'll be posted there, so you get a chance to see it on the blog. But go subscribe to my blog at andrepark.com. You'll be able to get golden nuggets, free content, great information that's going to empower you as an entrepreneur so you can be one of those individuals that's earning $10,000 a month in income as an entrepreneur. So with that being said, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. And I truly look forward to seeing you on the beaches of the world. Take care. God bless. Have a phenomenal day. And go and live your dreams. Write your vision down today. Go to andrepark.com. Subscribe to the blog. And I look forward to seeing you on the beaches of the world. Have a fantastic day.